camped out right up underneath my window. The welfare brats have come again. It's been going on for about 3 hours now, non-stop, straight. Screaming, begging, throwing, vandalizing, harassment. You name it, they've done it. Michael, Terrell, Junior, Rico, the same usual suspects. That's all they need is the ice cream truck. You heard that. And where will the ice cream truck stop? You guessed it. You heard that. Cursing from a 4-year-old. This is what their parents teach them. And Malik and Christian. You see that? Just Malik and Christian. Unsupervised brats. They're constantly unsupervised. Free to roam, destroy property, harass. This same little brat that busted out the hallway door, the glass in it. And TPI management couldn't even be bothered to come and clean up the mess. They just came in the front door in the hallway, and I expect for the door to be banged and kicked on at any time. See, this will not stop. This is ongoing. This is every hour on the hour. And where are the parents? They're nowhere to be found. I can only assume they're drinking and drugging and who knows what else instead of watching their children, some of which are under 6 years old.